So the benefit to us is obviously we get an extra pair of hands, certainly in the running of the place and just making sure we've got enough staff to do things. It doesn't take up too much time, and it then means that we can then identify people that may want to work with us in the future. The students have been enthusiastic and have gotten involved with everything, and we're quite happy to let them get involved with these things. We encourage them to speak to customers over the counter because then they can develop those skills. But then we also, especially for those that want to go into pharmacy, show them the clinical side of it and try and get them involved in as much as they can, certainly with dispensing, labelling prescriptions, just the daily running of the pharmacy really. We're quite happy to let them get involved with these things and actually make a difference and help us in the workplace.